The University of Toledo Medical Center's Orthopaedic Surgery Residency has been a premier program in the country since its inception in 1969. Currently training 4 residents per year, the program provides residents with the early, hands-on experience across all subspecialties of orthopedics. Residents have privileges at 6 hospitals in Northwest Ohio, in addition to Shriners Hospital for Children in Lexington, Kentucky, where each one of our second-year residents spends 3 months of their time. Oftentimes, residents will work one-on-one with an attending, occasionally with a senior resident present. No fellows are present at our training sites, which enhances the educational experience of our trainees.
My favorite part of working with residents is really several factors. One, it's just really nice to see them come in as interns and see them grow over the course of 5 years to where they're capable surgeons. That's just very satisfying. The other thing I like about working with residents is it keeps me on my toes. They're always asking questions. They make me stay up to date and have a reason why I do the things I do. And then lastly, it's fun to be around them. You know, they're young, they're vibrant, new music, all that stuff that goes along with it. So it's a blast.
Educational time is an integral aspect of our program, with attending or resident-run lectures or board review questions every morning. Residents also have access to on-site cadavers and rotating labs sponsored by leading industry representatives at our own simulation center or at local workshops. Residents also enjoy travel to educational conferences at no cost. Simply put, our residents enjoy a great work-life balance. Our program fosters confidence in our trainees via consistently above average case volumes when compared to programs across the country, and healthy, non-malignant relationships with fellow healthcare workers, patients, and attendings. Life in Toledo outside of work abounds with opportunities. Toledo is home to raucous minor league sports, an eclectic food scene, and both an art museum and zoo that rank in the top 10 in the country. It is also a very affordable Midwest city located just hours' drives from many metropolitan areas such as Chicago, Detroit, Cleveland, and Columbus. The people are warm and friendly and provide a great variety of orthopedic pathologies from which our residents have the privilege of learning.
Within Toledo, there's so many things to do. There's new restaurants popping up all the time. There's outdoors. The metro parks here are amazing, and I spend a lot of time there. The city of Toledo has a lot to offer, and it gives you plenty of time based upon, like I said, commuting or affordability that really give you opportunities to have a life outside of work.
I think honestly my favorite part about living in Toledo is just the feel of the Midwest. I went to Ohio State for undergrad, so I'm very familiar with Ohio. I was actually born in Cleveland. And just the people here are awesome. That good Midwestern culture and character is sometimes you don't get that in other places, something that I really cherish.
The number of graduates who have returned to teach our next wave of residents is one of our greatest attributes. This number continues to grow each year after year and is a testament to the training that you will gain across your 5 years here.
I stayed in Toledo after residency, not only because I had an opportunity to work with the residents here, the program I graduated from, but also found that in my time here, it's a wonderful place to live. It's a really nice mid-market city that's affordable, good schools, easy to commute around, maximize my time at home. If you know where to look, there's world-class golf here.
I'm extremely proud to see some of these residents that I've been teaching now for 4 or 5 years that have taken the concepts that you've taught, applying them, not just in my own cases, but other cases with other faculty members, and really just becoming more competent. I mean, there's nothing more rewarding than that. These are the doctors that are potentially going to be operating on, my family members or myself. So to teach them well and to see them thrive is extremely rewarding.
We appreciate your interest in the Orthopaedic Surgery Residency Program at the University of Toledo Medical Center. And remember, you will do better in Toledo.